Are you ready to leave the world behind and immerse yourself in the sound of the sea? Here, in an exceptional session with Rayhan in the heart of Sharm El Sheikh. The sea is calling you and the fun awaits. Would you like to join us? Every moment will be an unforgettable memory. Don't worry about documenting the moment. Rayhan will accompany you every step of the way to immortalize this wonderful experience. Choose the package that suits you best, from high-resolution photos to cinematic underwater videos. Prepare to dive into a magical underwater world. Coral reefs like you've never seen before, and rare fish creating a breathtaking spectacle. Rayhan, every moment is an unforgettable memory.